Okay. So yesterday we have seen about actually how to create a variable, how to create a data type, and then after that, what is a global and local variable we have seen over there, and then we have seen a small assignment over there. Okay. So today we'll see about the post increment and pre increment. So before that, actually, what a small recap of yesterday's session, what we have done. So what is a variable? Variable is a memory location. It's a memory location which can store some values for you. That's what. Okay, memory location which can store some values for you. That's what a variable will do for you. This is a font size should be visible for you. Just a memory location which can store some values on it. That's it. Okay. So how a variable will be declared? For example, there are different types of data types: integer, short, long, double, float, like that. So right now what means I want to create a variable which is actually what? An integer. That means what? Integer, and the variable name is I. Then if I give equal to 10, now what will happen? Right now for me a memory location will be created for me, and then the memory location name will be I, and then that integer will act as a reference for me here. The integer will act as a reference for me here, then help me to store 10. Okay, before storing, actually it will be checking that 10 comes in between a range of an integer value. So for example, my integer original value will be like something 327678, something like that, 2327678, something. If it is in between this range over there, okay, it will be checking in between this range, the 10 comes for me. Yes, in between range only this 10 comes for me. So it will help me to store over there. In case if I'm going to store a value which is greater than this one, or something which is very lesser than this one, okay, which is not in between this range, means it will throw me an error for me. That's what the integer, that's what a variable, this integer will be used as a reference over here. That's it. Okay, so now how to write a class. So class ABC. Okay, always a class will be written like this. A class will be written like this. So then if I want a main function, public static void main string arguments will be here. Okay, any information which is written inside a main function, that only can be executed. Outside the main function cannot be executed for me here. Okay, so if I want to declare a variable, okay, so now I'll ask some questions to you, so it will be a recap for you guys. So now how to create a project. Okay, so I'll ask questions for you. Hello, hey, hi Arita. Can you just tell me how to create a project? I want you to create a project. Can you tell me how to create a project?
Yeah, you can go on my first project and click right click on it and new.
Superb. Okay, new
Java project. Yeah.
Correct. Java. In case if I don't have the Java project here, what I can do?
You can go to the you should have a Java project here. Yeah.
In case if I'm not having, I should go to other.
Okay.
Okay, then.
Then, yeah, there is a Java project over there, and you can press it next.
Correct. I can choose here. Otherwise, under the Java folder also, I'll be having the Java project. Wherever I need, I can just click on it. Yes. Next. Then.
You can write any name. Like
my second project, I'll just give. Then the environment, I need to choose 1.7 or 1.8, whichever I have. So click on finish. Okay. Then thanks Arita. Hey Ravi, can you tell me how I can create a package and then a class?
Yeah, hi Murli. You can just right click on my second project.
Yes.
You want a
I want
class,
a package and a class.
Okay, just go to new.
Go to new.
And create a package from there.
Yes. Okay, my package, I'll just give my first package.
I mean, it's again the naming convention. The first letter is case sensitive, first alphabet.
Sure, super. So the first letter should be a small letter.
Preferably.
Yes, correct. It's not mandatory.
Yep.
Yes.
And just finish it. And again, in a similar way, just right click on it and just go and create a new class.
Correct. Right click on the package, click on the class.
And here the class name is mandatory that, I mean, yeah, it is mandatory that you should have a case sensitive, like uppercase.
First class. So the first letter should be a capital. Otherwise, I'll be getting the warning over there at the top. So that means I'll be getting type name is discouraged. So class always should start with the first letter as a capital letter. Then
public static void main. I mean, those are the main. I mean, you can just click on it.
Correct.
I mean, you can select modifiers as public or default, because a default as well would usually be public.
Super.
For the whole class.
Yeah.
And if you want to put in the main function as well, you can just click checkbox so public static void main. Correct. So that a default creates a main function for you.
Correct. So now I'm not going to check the checkbox. I'll click on finish.
Sure.
Okay. So now if I want the main function, can you tell me how I can create it?
Just type in public static void main.
No.
You can just do it as a main and open braces.
Main, and then you have to press control space.
Okay.
Then
yeah, I mean main method.
Yes.
Okay. This way. Okay, fine.
So this is a shortcut. So you can just type main
function. You are commenting them so that you know which function it is.
Super, correct. So the comment, that is, if you want to comment the code in Java, it's forward double slashes you can give. Yep. So now what happened? This line will not be executed.
Yes.
Control.
That is only for our reference of what the code is in there.
Super, correct. That's the thing. Control plus space button. If you press main, it will come. Then again you have to press enter button. So you'll get the main function for us. So what is this first line?
That's the package where your where your class is in.
Super, correct. So this one will represent that actually what is my package name. So in case
where the Java project is actually, I mean, it's not the project where the Java class is located. It gives the location of where your Java class is in and which package it is.
Correct. So in case if I have two packages over here, for example, I'm having another package.
Okay.
My second package. So now the thing is, this one right now, this first class belongs to my first package. So there are two packages. In that which package this class belongs, that's what it will do. So now I'm going to right click on this project, then I'm going to new package. Sorry, class. Right click, go to new class.
Okay.
So now here, if you see, the package name has not been given right now. I can browse and take it over there, which package right now I want. Can you see my first package, second package, and then default package is there. In case if I'm not choosing any package, that time a package called default will be coming for me. Under that default package, that will be selected. For example, now this project also, see right now my second project source. If I browse, I can select which project I want. So optional for me, I can choose whichever I want. So now my second project under the source folder, I'm not giving any package name. I'll just going to give here that
the class
name as, for example, learning class, something I'm giving.
Okay.
So
L is small.
No, L actually what? It's a class.
Okay, sorry, this is a class. Okay.
Yes, correct. So we should start with this one. So right now this warning is giving the use of default package is discouraged. Right now I have not given anything. So it's saying that actually I'll be taking a default package for you.
Mm-hmm.
Now see what happens. One more extra package called default will be created.
Okay.
See, a default package, under that one this will be selected.
Yep.
Clear? That's the thing. So I can choose whichever package or project, and then after that also I can write it over there. That's it. Okay. Yeah. So hey, thanks, Ravi.
Mm-hmm.
So next, hey Bala.
Yes, Suman.
Sure, yeah. Right now I have right now created a main function. So
Okay.
create me a local variable. I want to declare and initialize a local variable.
Yeah, you need to declare outside of main method int I equal to 10.
Yeah. Just a second. Yeah. Sorry.
You need to declare outside of the main method int I equal to 10. For printing that, you need to give the public static, system.println.
Correct. So if I want to declare a variable, integer I is equal to 10.
10.
If I want to print that value,
Println I.
yes, correct. So in this, I should be given. So in case if I give it over there in a double quotes, what will happen?
It will print only the I declaration variable I.
Correct. It will print the value as I itself. Okay, that print is, it will be printing I itself. It will not print the value of the I. So what is in the I variable? What
It will print only the variable only, not the value of that variable.
Correct, correct. The name I will be printed here. Here only the value will be taken.
Yes.
Correct. So now I want to declare you two global variables for you. I want you to print two global variables. One is static, another one is non-static. Can you tell me?
Static variable, static int j equal to 20.
Okay. Yes.
Then int r equal to 35.
Correct. This is
Global variable.
these
To
two are
print
global
this,
variables. Why this is
to
called as a
print,
global variable?
it is declared inside the class, but out of the void method, public static void method.
Correct. Any variables that are declared outside of functions are called as a global variables. Global variables are two types. One is static. Then the another one is
Non-static.
that's it. Yes. Okay. Then I want to print.
To print that global variable system.out.println.
Yes.
J bracket J you need to provide.
The thing is, I told you that actually what static
You need to
variables.
provide a class name dot J.
Correct. The class name is first class dot J. Yes, super correct. Then if I want to print the non-static member,
Same for first class dot R.
system dot. Correct. So now, anyone has an idea? Just a second. Thanks, Bala. I'll just ask.
Okay.
Hello, hey Madhu. Hi Madhu.
Hello.
Madhu, can you tell me? Actually, I just want to print that non-static member.
Object has to be created first.
Correct. How can I create an object?
Class name, first class.
Correct. So first class.
Object.
Okay.
Equal to new class name. New
Class.
first class.
Yeah, correct. New class name. Then
System.out.println.
we have to give parentheses over there.
Yes.
So what this new first class will do? So
Reference is the object.
for example, this is my program. Okay, I'll copy here. So this is my program. So now if I do like this, okay, this unnecessary things, I'll remove it. Okay, so this is my class. So right now when I create an object here for this one, what will happen for me? An object is created. Okay, which one? This step, new first class, this step only is going to create me an object. Then what is the object name right now for me?
OBJ.
OBJ, correct, super. OBJ is the object name. Then what this first class will do?
Reference to the.
Correct. This will act as a reference to this object. So here, right now here, that integer act as a reference to this variable tells that store only integer values. Same like that, this first class right now will act as a reference for this object, informs that actually what? Store only the global members of first class. What are the global members we have in this first class? These two. Static and then this non-static variable alone. So these two things will come, correct. So now these two things. So now if I want to print R, how I can print?
Println obj.r.
Correct, super. So I need to give obj.r. Yes, super. So it is obj.r. I need to keep like this. So what will happen when I give obj.r? What will happen? My search will go to the object. Okay, the obj. Then it will check whether r is present. Yes, we have r. So that r will be printed over here. That's what it will be done. Correct. That's it. Okay. Super. So it is obj.r. Even though I can refer the static members also here.
obj.j.
J, correct. That is also can be referred. That's the thing. Correct? Yeah. So this is what we have seen yesterday. Okay. So now we are going to see a topic called post increment and then pre-increment. We are going to see. So we'll see that. So I'll just take it. So what that we are going to see right now is it's called as operators. Okay, what is that we are going to see right now is operators. So we'll see. So here, what does that means? Actually, see, there are two types of operators available. Okay, so what are the two types of operators? Means one is binary, another one is unary. So still now from our side we have seen binary type of operators. So what is that? Simply a plus b, a minus b, a divided by b. Okay, all these things are called as binary operator. That means it will have only one operator. What does the operators mean? That is plus, minus, division. All those things are called as operator. It will have only one operator and then two operands to perform the action. Okay, so a plus b, a is having 10, b is having 20 means what will happen? It will give you a result as 30. Correct? That's what it will do. One operator and then two operands will be there for us. That's what it will be done here. So now what we are going to do, so here unary operator means that is actually it will have two operator and then one operand. So what is that? So I'll copy this one for you here. So there are two types of operator. One is binary, another one is unary. So binary will have one operator and then two operands. Here that so binary will have one operator and then two operands. That is what we have seen still now. Unary will have two operators and then one operand. So see, two operators means I plus plus over there, means in that plus plus is the two operator and then one operand. This is what I. That's what it will be done. Same thing, minus minus I. So like that only things will happen for us. So now if you see binary, unary, we got it over there. Clear? So now we'll see what does this I plus plus means. Simple. I plus plus is indirectly like I plus 1. Okay. So here minus minus I told you. So what are the actually things are available over there means here we have post increment or post decrement. We have post increment or post decrement, it is available. Then the another thing we have pre increment or decrement. Yeah, these are the two things we have over here. Okay, so one is post increment, another one is pre increment or decrement. Sure. So operands are what means actually what from our side here A, B, I, all those things are called as operands. Operators means actually what? That is that plus, minus, addition, that is actually division. Those things are coming. Those things are called as operators. Clear, Bala? Any doubts? That's the thing. Okay. So post increment and then decrement, pre increment and decrement. So we'll see what is that one. So right now, first I'm going to tell you about post increment and then decrement. So post increment. Okay, so we already have it. So I'll have it here itself. This post increment. So post increment, if you see over here, see I plus plus means it will be I plus 1. So the same thing next we have I minus minus. So this will be like actually what? I minus 1. Okay, I'll tell you what is it actually. Still I have not fully completed. I'll tell you, make you clearly understand this concept over there. Okay, don't get confused. Just give me 5 minutes. I'll make you understand easily. Same thing, pre-increment, decrement means, see, it will be plus plus I and then minus minus I. So plus plus I means what will happen means plus plus I means it is actually 1 plus I. Then minus minus I means it is 1 minus I. Okay, so plus plus I means it's 1 plus I. Minus minus I means it is 1 minus I over here. That's it. Clear, guys? Anyone has any doubts on this one? So what is this actually? What 1 plus I plus 1, all those things. Now we'll see that example over there. Okay, so right now you understood what is post increment. Post increment means what's happening, that I is coming at the beginning. Pre increment means that plus symbols or minus symbols are coming at the beginning. Okay, based on that, it's I plus 1. Here it is 1 plus I. So based on this only, the memory allocations are going to happen. How this memory allocations are going to happen, we'll see right now. Okay, now we'll see these things. So right now, integer I, integer A is equal to I plus 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 I plus plus. We are having like this. Okay, I plus 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 I plus plus. What will be the output of A? What will be the output of I? We are going to see that one. So for that, right now, just a second. So the default value for the integers, it will be 0. Okay, the default values. Okay, so it's for the integer, it will be taking it as 0. That is not only for integer, short, okay, short, integer, long. Okay, everything the default value will be 0. The same thing for double and float. It will be 0.0. If it is Boolean, the default value will be false. Then if it is character, the default value will be empty. If it's a string, the default value will be also empty over here. Clear? These will be the default value for us everywhere. Just give a different color. Clear, guys? So right now, actually, what? Yeah, I'll tell you that one. So, sorry, what is the doubt from Balachandar means? Then how we need to add as I++ equal to I plus 0? I'll tell you that one. So right now, here actually what? I need to declare the I variable also. So see, initially I'm giving integer I is equal to 0. Okay, so right now I'm just giving it. If I'm not giving also, for example, if I'm not giving it as 0, okay, it will be by default also, it will be 0 only. Okay, so right now I am itself assigning over there I equal to 0. So what is that happening over there right now means? Okay, so I'll make little bit the font size little bit, actually I'll make it bigger for you so it makes comfortable for you to see. So first, integer I is equal to 0, then integer a is equal to I plus 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 I plus plus. Okay, what is the value for this one? That's what I'm going to check right now. So right now from my side, what will happen right now for I, one memory location will be created. Then for A, one memory location will be created. We know this one. So I memory location value right now is what? 0 at the beginning. Same thing for A, the output of this I plus plus and then plus I plus plus will be the value for A. We have to see. So what's going to happen right now? I plus plus means I already told you it's always I plus 1. Okay, I plus 1. That means what will happen here? I plus plus means it's I plus 1 at the meaning over here. So what will happen? I is coming over there means first take the I value from the memory location. What is the I value from memory location? 0. So 0 will be taken. Then plus 1. So what will happen? I memory location will be incremented by 1. 0 plus 1 will be what? 1. Okay, so I right now the memory location will be 1 for me right now here. That's the thing. Okay, so then next plus I plus plus. So what is the I value right now? This memory location value, it is 1 for me right now. So 1 will be taken. Then plus 1. Now memory location will be incremented by 1. 1 plus 1 will be 2 right now. Okay, now it will be incremented to 2 over there. That's what. So it will be 2 right now, the value. So then after that, now A value will be what? 0 plus 1, it will be 1. 1 will be the A value. So now we want to print the I value, CISO of I, CISO of A. So what will be the value for I? It will be 2, and then for A it will be 1. That's it. Clear for everyone? This is what my output will be here. That's it. Okay guys, so any doubts on this one for anyone? So this is what about this one. So any, yeah.
Shweta, this is.
Yes, Shweta.
Can you explain once again? I didn't get.
Sure. I'll explain you one more time. I'll explain you. The same thing I'm be explaining you with another example. So you guys will be very much clear on that. So now on my side, I'll give integer I is equal to 0. Then I have integer A is equal to I plus 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 I plus 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 I minus minus plus plus I plus I minus minus. Okay, I'm having these many things over here. So now I'll tell you how things will happen. Right now from my side, I'll take this part alone. We'll keep it here for your reference. I'll keep this part alone for your reference over here. So now I need to find the I value and then the A value. So right now, memory location for I and then memory location for A will be created for me here. So this is I, this is A. So by default, I value right now is what? 0 for me here. Okay. So now I need to find the A value. A value is what? The entire set value will be the A value for me right now. So now I plus plus. So I plus plus means what? It is I plus 1. So I plus 1 means first you take the memory location from the value from the I value, and finally what? Increment it by 1. So post increment or decrement means what? Means from your side it is first take the I value from, I'll just responses here. Okay, first take the I value from memory location, then increment or decrement the memory location by 1. This is what post increment will do. Post increment will do this only. Same thing, pre increment, what is going to do over here means, for example, pre increment, what is going to do means, first increment or decrement. Okay, first increment or decrement the I value and take the incremented or decremented I value from memory location. Okay, that's what it will do. Okay, first increment the I value by 1. Sorry, by 1, and take the incremented I value from memory location to the place wherever it is needed. That's what pre-increment is going to do. Okay, so now we'll see the example, then you will come to understand about this logic. So now I plus plus means what right now for me? It is post increment. Post increment means what will happen? It is I plus 1 First take the I value from memory location. What is the I value from memory location? It is 0. So 0 will be taken for me here. 0 will be taken for me here. Clear? So 0 is taken. Then after that, what I need to do? I want to increment or decrement the memory location by 1. So it is plus plus, so I want to increment it by 1. So now the I value will be what? 1. Clear? Then plus. Everyone understood this concept, what I did? This I plus plus? Anyone has any doubts, guys? Anyone has any doubts on understanding this one? Okay, so then here I plus plus. So I plus plus means what? It's again post increment. That is, first you take the I value from memory location. What is the I value from memory location right now? It is 1. So 1 will be taken for me. Then plus plus. So plus plus, what will happen right now for me? Now from my side, I value will be incremented by 1. 1 plus 1, it will be what? 2. Now it will be 2 for me. That's the thing. Now it will be 2 for me here. Then plus. Is anyone has any doubts? Please stop me. Okay. So I minus minus. I minus minus means what? So I is coming at the beginning, means it's post increment or decrement. Okay. Now it's post decrement. So first you take the I value from the memory location. What is the I value from memory location? It is 2.
Sukumar, Bala.
Yes, Bala.
First time வந்து I increment பண்ணும்போது 0 வருது இல்லைங்களா?
Yes, correct.
Second time I equal to 1 ன்னு கொடுத்திருக்கீங்களா? அது எந்த memory location பேஸ் பண்ணியா இல்ல எப்படி?
Yes, it's based. So what is the doubt?
0 plus 1.
Yes. Yes, Bala.
Then here the value should be 2, right? I plus plus.
I'll tell you. What I did over here, I'll tell you. See, right now. So right now, I'll come back and then I'll do from the beginning, so you guys will understand. See, from my side right now, before starting the program, initially I value will be 0, and then A value I need to find right now. Clear? So I plus plus. So I plus plus means what? It's post increment. I plus plus or I minus minus will be called as post increment or decrement. It is in the backend, it's like I plus 1 or I minus 1. Pre increment means the operator will come at the beginning, plus plus I. That means 1 plus I or 1 minus I. So post increment means what happened? First you take the I value from memory location. So right now in the I memory location, what is there right now? It is 0. So 0 will be taken for me now. Then plus 1. So plus plus is there. Now I want to increment the memory location by 1. 0 plus 1 will be what? 1 for me. Clear? So I have decremented. Okay, sorry. I have incremented the memory location by 1 right now. Correct? Then again plus. Now what I'm doing over here, so I plus plus. So again I plus plus means what happened? First you take the I value from memory location. What is the I value from memory location right now currently? It is 1. So 1 will be taken now. Then plus plus. Now what will happen? I want to increment the memory location by 1. So right now what is the memory location? 1. 1 plus 1 will be what? 2. 2 will be taken. Okay, 2 will be given in the I memory location.
Murali, sorry
Yeah.
for disturb.
Yes, Shweta. Tell me.
First one you have assigned like A equals to I plus plus.
Correct.
Okay, then I thought like 0 plus 1. So that value will be like 1.
That is that plus plus, all those things always will be incremented or decremented over there in the memory location only. Okay, that is when it comes over there after I plus plus. When it comes at before this one, that time only what will happen? The decrement or increment will happen here, and then after that value will be given to the memory location. Getting? So see, I'll just do this. Yeah, tell me, Shweta.
First we assign I equal to 0 value, correct? Int I equal to 0 means the
First
current
take-
value of R is 0.
Yes, correct, super.
Okay, now we are incrementing by 1
For the memory location.
for
I
the
got it.
memory location, correct?
So
So
zero-
current value is 0. plus 1. So the I plus plus value will be a 1, no?
No. First we took the I value here, then after that the memory location I'm going to increment over here. So I comes means first you take the I value, then increment the I memory location. See, I'll come to this place, that time you will have an understanding. See
Yeah,
what's
fine,
happening. So 0 plus 1. So till here we came, then again plus. Now I minus minus. So I minus minus means what? First you take the I value. What is the I value right now? It is 2. So 2 we took, and then minus 1. Decrement the I memory location by minus 1. 2 minus 1 will be what? 1 for me right now. So now the I value is 1. Then next plus. Now what's happening? Plus plus I am giving. When I give plus plus I, first increment the memory location by 1. So right now 1 is there. 1 plus 1 will be what? 2. First I'm incrementing the memory location. Then after that, okay, take that. So I incremented the memory location. Then after that, take that I value to here. That is 2. Getting? So when I plus plus comes over there, first I take the I value, then I'm incrementing the memory location. When plus plus I comes, first I'm incrementing the memory location, then I'm taking the I value. Okay? This understood or little bit confusion? Okay, I know little bit confusion. The next program I'll make you understand. Okay, so I did I minus minus. So I minus minus means what? First you take the I value. Now it is 2. Now incremented I value by minus 1. That will be 1 right now. I value right now will be 1. Okay, that's it. So now if you see the A value, 1 plus 2, 3, 5, 7. So A value will be 7 for me right now. Okay guys, so I'll do another program so you will get comfortable.
Sukumar, the last value I minus minus is there, right?
Yes.
There, currently I value is 2. So I minus 1 will be 1, right?
Correct.
Or,
so the last before here actually what was there? 2 was there. So when I give I minus minus, first I take the I value, that is 2. Then minus 1, the memory location. So 2 minus 1 will be 1 over here for me.
okay. Then it will come only 1, right? Here I value.
Here it will be 1. Okay, so if
Okay.
I put over there the I value, so I J. So what will be the value for I means I value will be 1 and then A value will be 7 for me here.
Okay.
Okay, that's what will be my output. Okay, I'll do another program. I'll make you guys understand it easily. Don't worry. Integer A is equal to I plus 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 I plus plus, then again plus plus I, then again I plus plus, then plus plus I. So now we'll see what is the output for this one. So now I'll ask you guys, so you guys can tell me over there. So I'll make you understandable in that way. This is I, this is A. So the I value initially it is 0 for me. Initially I value is 0. Okay, so now I'll ask you guys, hey Jayashree, can you tell me now what will happen I plus plus means? I'll just unmute you, Jayashree. Hello, hey Jayashree.
Hi. I plus plus will be 1. I plus plus will be 0.
So here, what is the value will come?
0.
0.
And I will be incremented to 1.
Correct. So what's happening when I give I plus plus? First, right now, what is the I value that will be taken and then will be given over here? Plus 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 1. So now the memory location will be incremented by 1. Correct. So here the value will be 0. The previous value has been taken. Then here the incremented value has came for me. Correct. Super. Then plus. Then now.
I plus plus 1. The memory will be incremented to 2.
Okay. So now plus plus
The
I.
memory. So first it will be incremented in the memory to 2.
Superb. So 1 plus 1 that will be incremented to 2 in the memory location. Then take the
And 2
I
here.
value. So that will be 2 here. Clear? So what's happening?
Yes.
First, I incremented the I value by 1 in the memory location. Then take the value from the memory location and put it over here. That's what I do. Okay. Yeah. Superb. Thank you, Jayashree.
The I plus plus.
No, I'll
The
just
2
ask
will
the next person. Hello.
in I plus plus 2 will be taken.
No, Jayashree, I'll just ask the next person, so it will be helpful for everyone. Thanks, Jayashree. Thanks so much. So next, Ishweta, now can you try?
Value of I is 2.
Sorry,
Okay.
just a
So-
second. Just a second. Sorry, I unmuted you right now only. Just a second. So now,
Current value of I is 2 in memory.
correct.
Okay. So it will print I first.
Correct. So here 2 will be taken right now.
Yeah. Whatever the increment is there, that will increment only in memory. Is that correct?
Correct. Super. So once plus plus comes after the I value, that means only memory location will be incremented after taking that.
Yeah.
That's the thing. So now here will be 3. Correct. Then now
The here pre-increment. So first it is increment in only in memory. Okay. So it will be a 4.
correct. First increments the memory location. Correct.
Then it will print.
Correct. Then after that it will take the high value. That's it.
Yeah.
Now can you tell me what is the I value and then what is the A value? What is the I value?
Will be 4.
Yes, correct. I value will be 4. Yes.
And
value?
A value will be 8.
Correct. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8 over there. So 8 will be the A value. Correct. Clear guys? Now anyone has any doubts? Now you're able to understand the concept?
Sukumar Bala here.
Yes, Bala.
I plus plus means normally the memory only will be varied. Correct?
The thing is I plus plus and then plus plus I, what is the thing means when the memory will be incremented and then when the high value is being taken. That is what differs. So I plus plus means what will happen right now? Can you tell me?
Currently the value is 0, so the memory location will get incremented to 1. So it will by default it will be 0. Correct?
Sorry. I just again we'll do one more time. Integer I is equal to 0. Okay. Integer j is equal to I plus plus I. Okay, just a second. I'll make it as like this. Plus I plus I plus plus I plus I minus minus. Okay. So for this one, you have to give me. So right now, currently, what is the I value? Screen. This is I. This is J. So currently, the I value is what? 0.
0.
Now, can you tell me?
Now it will be incremented to 1, right?
Plus I will first increment will happen in the memory location by 1.
Yes.
0
So now the value will be 1.
yes,
Correct?
correct. Then here what will happen taken? Here what will be taken? 1.
1 will be taken.
Yes.
Then again I means first it will take the memory location, then it will increment the memory location by 1.
Correct. So here
Correct?
what will be taken?
Value will be 1.
Yes, correct. Then
Memory location will be incremented by 1. So
correct.
1 plus 1, 2 will be there.
Correct. Next. Finally only the increment will happen. Yes, correct. Then
Again the I value will be 2.
correct. Now I plus plus means first take the high value.
Yeah, I value will be 2. The memory location will be incremented by incremented to 3.
Correct. By 1. So that will be 3. Yes, correct. Then next now.
Then again I minus means we need to memory location will be reduced to 2.
No.
The value is value still remains 3.
Here what will be taken? I minus means first take the I value from memory location. Clear?
Yeah, value will be 3 only. Memory location value will be reduced to 2.
Correct. Minus 1, that will be 2 right now. That's the thing. So what is the concept here means whenever you see I at the beginning, first you take the I value, then increment or decrement. Whenever you see the plus plus or minus minus, first increment or decrement memory location and then take the I value. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. Everyone
Thanks.
understood the concept, guys? Okay. Anyone has any doubts? Because now I'm going to give you some assignments. Is everyone clear about the concept? Okay. So I'll give you now assignments over there for you right now. So I want you to get me the output for this one. So totally 3 assignments I'll just give you. So what is the I value and J value? Finally, you'll be getting it for me. So you can take it. Then the next one. So this is one program. And then the next one is this program. This is the second assignment. This for the next one. So I want you to get the output for these both. Okay, guys. So for this one, what is the I value and J value? And then for this one, what is the I value and J value? These two you're going to get for me right now. Okay. So take a paper or something. Just draw this one. Okay. So as like I did for the I and J over there, two memory locations I gave, same like that. You have to draw like this. Then take me and give me the value over there. Okay. Okay, guys. So anyone has any doubts on this one assignment? Everyone is clear about it now. So now it's 7:47. We'll again connect by 8 o'clock. Okay, by I'll just give you actually what 12 minutes of time. You can just do for both. So then after that, we'll I'll give you another assignment for you for the same day. Okay, we'll meet by again by 8 o'clock, guys. Okay, thank you. Okay, hey guys, everyone is able to get the output. Everyone is able to get the output. So what I gave. Okay, so now we'll see executing this one. Okay, great. Good. Okay, sure, super. So now we'll do the same thing right now. We'll execute it and then we'll see what is the output for these both right now. So it's a post and pre-increment. Okay. So now we have I, and then we have J. We have I and then we have J. This is I. This is J. So now, okay, initially I value is what? 1. Okay, initially I value is what? 1. Then J we are going to work on. So right now we'll see what is the J value right now. So from my side, I plus plus. So I plus plus means what? First if it comes I over there, take the I value. So what is the I value right now? It is 1. So 1 is being taken. Then plus plus. Now increment the I value by 1. Increment the I memory location by 1. So 1 plus 1 we will be getting 2 right now. Then plus I minus minus. So I minus minus means what? First you take the I value. What is I value right now? It is 2. So 2 will be taken. Then minus minus. Now decrement the I memory location by minus 1. So what will be the I memory location right now will be 2 minus 1 will be 1. Then here minus. Now minus minus I. Minus minus I means what? First actually what? Decrement the memory location by minus 1. So 1 minus 1 it will be 0 for me here. Then take the I value, that is 0. Then plus. Plus plus I. Plus plus I means what? First increment the memory location by 1. So 0 plus 1 it will be 1. Then take the I value, that is 1. Then minus. Plus plus I. Plus plus I means what will happen? First increment the memory location by 1, because when plus or minus comes at the beginning, first I want to increment or decrement the memory location by 1. So plus plus I, that is 1 plus 1, it will be 2 right now. Then take the I value. Now it is 2. Then plus I plus plus. Now what is the I value? That is 2. So 2 will be taken. Then next plus plus. So now what will happen? Plus 1. That is now memory location will be incremented by 1. That will be 3. Okay. Sorry, just a second. This one. 2 will be taken. Plus plus. So now it will be 3. Then plus. Okay. Then now I minus minus. So I minus minus means what step? It will take I value here. Okay. Then next what will happen right now? Minus 1. So now it will be 3 minus 1. It will be 2 for me here. That's the thing. Clear? Whenever I comes at the beginning, first you take the I value and then put it over here. Then increment or decrement the I value here in the memory location. Whenever minus minus or plus plus comes at the beginning, first increment or decrement the memory location by 1. Then after that the incremented value put it over here. That's it. Clear? So now I value is what? 2. J value is what right now? 1 plus 2, 3. 3 minus 0, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. So J value is 7 for us. Okay guys. So I value is what? Sizzle of I. Sizzle of J. So I value is 2. J value is 7. So everyone has got the same answer? What I have?
Murray, I value is 2 or 3?
I value is, it's 2 right now.
Currently, I values we have written like 3 right here.
Just a
But
second.
memory
3.
it is
Finally here, can you see? I have written 2.
okay. I value is 2.
2. Just a second. I'll execute also for you. So we'll make sure we are in the correct path. So I'll right click, run as Java application. See, 2 and 7. Okay. Ishweta, you got it?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah, sure. Okay, so everyone got this same answer. So now this one we'll see. So this is I, this is J. This is J. So I initially the value will be what? 0. I initially it will be 0. So now minus I. Okay, so now I want you guys to tell for me. First, Bala, can you tell me what will happen right now?
Yeah, initial I value will be 0, but the J value will be 1.
Okay, so initially I value will be 0.
0.
Okay, so can you tell me minus I means what will happen right now?
1 minus I value, 1 minus I 0 is 1.
That is minus 1. 0 minus 1, that will be what? Minus 1 in the memory location.
Okay.
Okay, then after that what will happen?
Then we are incrementing the I value. Again, I value will be minus 1.
2 things. What will happen in the memory location? What will happen here? So 2 things are there.
Yeah, here the I value will be minus 1.
Okay, here it will be minus 1. Yes, correct. Then plus.
Plus again I value will be minus 1.
Correct.
Memory location will be 0.
So first it will take from the memory location. Right now what is there? Minus 1. So minus 1 will be taken. Then memory location will be incremented by 1. So that will be
0.
correct. Okay. Yeah. Thanks, Bala. So next, hey Arita, can you tell me now what will happen?
Now we have to take the I value.
Correct.
First take the I value and increment it.
So because I is coming at the beginning, so that's why take the I value. That is 0.
0.
Then,
and then memory location it goes 1.
Plus
Sorry,
0.
0.
It is minus 1. Right. Then next.
Then we have to increment here.
Where?
Not in the memory location, like in
Plus
the I value. Yeah.
Plus I. That means?
That means 0.
No. That is actually what? Plus I, when it comes over there, what will happen? First, which action will be taken?
It will increment in the memory location.
Correct. Increment the memory location by plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 will be again 0. Then after that, now takes the I value from the memory location. Okay? Yes. Super. Thanks, Arita. So next. Hey Hema, can you tell me now what will happen?
Hi Murli, actually I have a doubt here.
Yes, Hema.
In pre-increment you have given like plus I will be equals to 1 plus I.
Come again, which step?
In pre-increment when you have described the pre-increment statements, so you have given like plus I would be taken as 1 plus I. So if it is 1 plus I, here in the first statement will be like 1 minus 0. So it would be like 1. that I have to store here.
Sorry, just a second. I got which place actually at the beginning, huh?
Yeah, beginning. It's like in pre-increment, if it is minus minus I, it should be 1 minus I or I minus 1.
So minus minus I means what will happen right now for me in the memory location. First it will be for right now memory location at the beginning. What was there? 0, na? So it's like 0 minus 1 in the memory location.
Yeah.
Okay, so that 0 minus 1 in memory location, that will give you minus 1. Okay, and then that value will be taken over here.
Okay.
Okay, now clear?
Actually, I'm not clear because when you have described that pre-increment statements,
Yeah.
so you have given like minus minus I, we would take it as 1 minus I.
Correct.
So if it is 1 minus I, the first value here is initial value is 0, I value. So it would be like 1 minus 0.
No. That thing is actually what? Actually, to make you understandable in a different concept level, I made that one. So what are the thing is actually from my side 1 plus I, those things are what means. So right now, what is the I memory location right now for me? So I'll take this one. See. I'll keep it over here. So what is that I'm trying to say over here means, so 1 plus I, that means what's happening over there from my side. Here I mentioned over here this concept over here, post and pre-increment over here. This is what the very important step over here to understand. Post increment means what? That is actually from my side, that is I plus plus. Okay, that is what post I plus plus, correct? That is what post increment. Pre increment means what? I minus minus, correct?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Minus
plus I it is pre increment.
Yeah.
So whenever I give post increment I plus plus means first you take the I value. In the I memory location, what is the value that should be taken and then will be given to this place.
Okay.
Then after that, you have to increment or decrement the memory location by 1. Okay. So 0 was there in the memory location, that will be incremented to plus 1.
Okay.
Getting? So the same thing, pre-increment means what? Plus plus I means first increment or decrement the I value by 1. If it is in the memory location, it is 0. That will be incremented by 1. That will be 1, and that value will be taken and given to me.
Okay.
Okay, post increment level, if my memory location is 0, post increment level, the value which will be taken for me here, it will be 0. Okay.
Yeah.
Then in the memory location, it will be taken as 1.
Yeah.
Pre-increment means what will happen right now for me. So first, it will increment the memory location. Okay, memory location what? 0 plus 1, it will be 1. Then after that, that value will be taken over here to this place. This place will be also 1.
Yeah.
Clear? So can you see the difference? Post increment was being taken first current value and then only increment started. But here increment first started, then only what? That incremented value is being taken for me.
Yeah.
Based on this only things will work.
Okay.
Okay. So now you see. Now can you tell me for this plus plus I what will happen right now?
First we need to increment. So 0 plus 1, it would be 1 there, and we have to take the j value also 1.
The thing is not j value. The thing is here it should be taken as 1.
Yeah.
Okay. Then now
I minus minus. First we need to take the value where whatever the memory location value.
Correct.
So it would be 1.
Yes.
And in I value it would be like 1 minus 1, 0.
Yeah, that will be 0 over here. Okay. Now, what is the j value? Yes, Bala.
Sukumar, then below you have mentioned, right, minus minus I, you have mentioned, right, 1 minus I in the last.
I minus minus, huh?
Last one. Minus I equal to 1 minus I you are given, right? The last part. Below that.
Definition.
Okay, here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Minus minus I equal to 1 minus I. So in that case, by default, the int j equal to first value will be 0, right?
Okay. Guys, that is actually, you don't take this example. Okay, it's a different way. So actually, you don't take this example only. Okay, understand the concept by this concept. Understand it by this concept. So this will be easier for you. Okay.
Okay.
Take this concept. First, take the I value from memory location, then increment. That concept you take it. You will be very clear on doing this thing. Okay. Understood, guys? Actually, or still you have any confusions?
Yeah. If that is the case, if minus minus I means 1 minus I or I minus 1.
Sorry.
You given minus minus I equal to 1 minus I or
No, just again.
I minus.
Don't take this concept. You guys are getting confused. Don't take this concept only. Okay, forget this concept.
Okay. You generally I'm asking Suma.
Okay.
Plus plus I means we have mentioned 1 plus I like that. Minus minus I equal to 1 minus I, right? Or how it is?
So what is
I mean.
Okay. So what is that actually the necessity of giving this example for you means? For example, I plus plus means first take the I value, then increment it by 1.
Yes.
Okay. So that is what here. So the thing is here plus plus 1 means first increment the I value by 1. Okay. So that means the numeric comes first over there. That is first increment the I value by 1, then finally take the I value. Okay. That's the concept I was giving over here. First increment the I value by 1, then after that finally take the I value. Here first take the I value, then only increment or decrement by 1. That's what I was trying to say over here.
Okay.
Okay, that's the main thing.
Okay.
Any doubts? Any doubts, guys? Okay, so I'll give you an assignment right now for you. So not right now, for the as a assignment. You can do it over here.
Hello.
Hello, Ishmita.
Hello, Madhu.
Hey,
Still I'm having doubts in the minus sign.
still you guys have doubts?
Yeah.
Sure, no problem. I'll do it. Hey guys, actually, this is what the final thing. So in case if you have anyone has any doubts or if you want to be in the class, you can be. So I'm gonna explain again one more time another example. So if you want, you can be there. Otherwise, actually, what I'm not gonna take another topic. This is a topic. So if you want, you can be there. Otherwise, if you have any work, you can just go. Okay, guys. I'll explain one more time.
This is Shweta.
Ishmita.
I'm leaving for the class.
Sorry? So you're leaving for the class?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Thanks, Shweta. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Yeah, bye-bye. So, integer I is equal to 0. Integer j is equal to integer j equal to I plus 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 I. Okay, so first we'll see this one. So now, what is the I value? What is the j value? So this is I, this is j. So now from my side, I value will be 0. So now I plus plus. So I plus plus means what? I take this one here for you. So now I plus plus. So that means it's a post increment. First you take the I value from memory location. What is the I value from memory location? It is 0. So 0 will be taken for me here. Then increment the memory location by 1. Now what will happen? It will be incremented by 1. So that is 1. Okay. Then plus I. First increment the I value by 1. First increment the I value by 1. So what's happening? I'm going to increment the I value in the memory location. So 1 plus 1, that will be 2 right now. Okay, then take the incremental or decrement value from the memory location. So that will be 2 for me. Now if you see, I value will be 2, J value also will be 2. For everyone, is this concept is clear? Okay guys, everyone is clear? Okay, so now I'll go to the next thing. Integer I equal to 0. Integer j is equal to I minus minus plus minus minus I. So now we'll see. I value and then j value. J value. So I value is what? 0. So now, so what is the thing right now for me? So I minus minus. So I minus minus means what's going to happen right now for me? So that is what? First take the I value from memory location. What is the I value? That is 0. So 0 is taken. Then after that, decrement the I value by minus 1. So in the memory location. So minus 1 will be the output. So might be everyone is clear on this concept. Okay. Then plus minus minus I. Minus minus I means what will happen? First decrement the I value by 1 in memory location. Okay. So now what will happen right now for me? That is minus minus I. Na? So now it will be decremented by minus 1, that will be minus 2. Getting? Why it's minus? Because minus minus I. Then after that take the I value, that is minus 2. Okay, now if you see, I value will be minus 2 and then j value also will be minus 2. Okay guys, for everyone is clear this one? Anyone has any doubts, you can please let me know. I can explain you one more time also. Anyone has any doubt?
No doubts. I'm clear about now.
Okay, so now we'll see the same example right now. I'll take this one. Now we'll be a little bit clearer on what we are doing right now. This I. This I. This is G. So first initially I value is 0. So now first what's happening? Minus minus I. So when it is minus minus, just 2 minutes guys, I will just move this one a little bit down. So minus minus I. So minus minus I means what will happen right now for me? So that will be right now what? Minus minus I. So here first it will decrement the I value by minus 1. So minus 1. Okay. So then after that take the I value from there. So what is there? That is minus 1. Okay. So what's happening? Minus minus I when it comes over there. First decrement the I value by 1 in the memory location. Then after that take that value from the memory location. So that's what I did. So I took it. Then plus I plus plus. So first I comes means what? First take the I value minus 1. We took it. Then increment the I value by plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 it will give 0. Then again plus I minus minus. So now what will happen? I comes first. So first you take the I value, that is what? 0. Then minus 1 in the memory location. So 0 minus 1, it will be minus 1. Then plus I. So plus I, now what will happen right now for me? So plus I will be first increment the memory location because plus is coming beginning. So increment the memory location by 1. So minus 1 plus 1 will be 0 for me. Then take that I value, that is 0 here. Okay. Then plus. Then plus I. So plus I means what? Once again, I value will be incremented by 1. So that is what right now? 0 plus 1 will be 1. Then take that I value here. That's the thing. Took. Okay, then plus I minus minus. So I minus minus means what will happen? First you take the I value. What is the I value right now? It is 1. So 1 will be taken. And then minus minus, what will happen? Now it will be minus 1. That will be 1 minus 1 will be 0. Now if we see minus 1, it's minus 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. So what will happen from my side? Minus 2 and then plus 2, that will be again 0. So finally I value and then j value both are 0 for me. Clear guys? Anyone has any doubts? Okay. Hey Madhu, you're clear Madhu?
Yes. Clear.
Clear out. Any doubts means please let me know. I can explain one more time.
Minus I means minus 1 minus
Minus I means that is memory location first should be decremented by 1 and that final value you can take it.
So minus 1 minus 0. Is it?
Sorry?
Minus I means first we have to decrement the I value.
Correct. So minus 1 means first actually what will happen, minus I means first in the memory location what is the value there, decrement it by minus 1, then finally the decremented value take and put it over there.
Yes.
Okay na?
Yes.
That's the only thing. If you know this concept, it will be clear. So this is what the main thing you have to remember. Okay guys? So I'll give you an assignment for you for today's class. So you can do that one. So you'll be a little bit clear on what we are doing it. Okay? Yeah. Okay guys. So if there is no doubts, we can meet up by again tomorrow. Okay? Yeah. Thanks guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. See you. Bye guys.